Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful feature on TikTok, how to translate comments. Whether you're trying to connect with an international audience or just curious about what people say in different languages, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. Open your TikTok app on your device. Search for the video you want to translate a comment on. When you find the video on the right side of the screen, click on the comment option. A window with comments will open. Select the comment you want to translate by keeping your finger on the comment itself. Then a menu will open in which you will search for the Translate option and click on it. By clicking on the Translate option, the comment will be automatically translated. TikTok uses its own translation service to help you understand comments from around the world. And there it is. Translating comments on TikTok is quick and easy. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more great TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.